Hello, I'm Sven, the application engineer at Wineo. Today we will show you the quick and easy installation of our Ecuran-based underlay mat, doubleGLUE. The advantage, it sticks from both sides. For this we need a straight edge, a knife, a pencil, a folding ruler and a pressure roller to roll both the mat and the elastic flooring. In order to be able to optimally install our doubleGLUE underlay mat, we need a prepared substrate. Optimally, as here it's a filled, sanded and vacuum substrate. However, and this is the special feature, you can also install our mat on existing substrates. These old substrates should be solid, dry and load-bearing. Which substrates do we approve exactly? Please refer to our installation instructions. We now start laying our doubleGLUE by aligning it 90 degrees to the flooring we are laying, with the clear film facing down on the floor, unrolling it with minimal edge clearance. After the first length is aligned, we now take the remaining piece of the roll for the second row, place it tightly without tension to the previous length, then unroll them on the edge. When one panel ends, the next panel is simply laid over it, overlapping by several centimeters and then adjusted with a double cut. The off-cut pieces are then removed. After we have finished laying our underlay mat, we fold it back to half the room and now want to remove the protective film. To do this, we take our knife with a straight blade and lightly cut the protective film. The protective film is now removed and the sheets are loosely rolled into the surface. After removing the protective film, the most important step now follows so that the mat can develop its full adhesive strength, the rolling. We roll the mat with an articulated roller weighing at least 45 kilograms. We can now start laying the top layer. To do this, we take the measurement of 3 panels, in our case 25 centimeters times 3, plus a small edge section, and draw it along the wall. We have now drawn our wall distance. We now want to start laying and need a stop line at the marked points. To do this, I take a steel ruler and cut the film only slightly, as with the installation before, to pull it off. This creates an edge on the foil, which we use as a guide. Alternatively, you can peel off the foil, measure it, and then use a chalk line or a line laser. Now we can remove the foil in the area where we want to lay and use the edge created by the foil as a stop. We can now start laying. For this, we take the panels, loosely lay them on the created stop line and start directly with the second row. The panels should be laid loosely, without tension against each other. To obtain a visually appealing image, we recommend an offset of at least 30 centimeters.
aneinander verlegt werden. Um ein optisch ansprechendes Bild zu erhalten, empfehlen wir einen Versatz von mindestens 30 cm.
As you can see, the floor is now installed. We have a firmly glued flooring with increased walking comfort and reduced impact sound. After rolling this, it is now fully usable. If you like the video, feel free to leave a like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. See you soon.